What's up, AP class? It's Kevin Ozar from Virginia. A couple things I want to talk about. Number one, how creepy is this picture of Benjamin Franklin? Like, seriously. I think his eyes follow me. Number two, some of you messaged me about the packets for lit circles. You're like, I'm not feeling them. It's hindering good discussion. We're trying to do stuff. We feel like we're jumping through hoops. I hate busy work. I hate it. I downloaded those from AP because I liked the concept, like the structure. So here's your challenge. If you don't want to use the packets, if the packets are holding you and your group back, don't. Replace them. What are the new jobs that people should be doing? My concern is that some groups are just going to talk and talk and talk, and that'll be great for most. But some people might not be heard, might not have a chance. I want people to step up. I want people to own their learning, and I want people to be active. No hogs, no logs. So if the packet is working for your group, sweet. If your packet is not working, then you can blow it up, create new roles, new rules, new mechanics for how it's going to work. However, you have to continue to keep artifacts. So I don't know if that's a video of the conversation happening. I don't know if it's quick notes that people are taking, and it has to be a group decision. So your small group has to decide, packet or not. I am back tomorrow. I'll see you in 25 hours. I am, as always, very sentimental when I'm not with the ones that I care about. So absence does make my heart grow fonder. I miss you guys. I'm excited to be in the classroom with you for the next 4 days. And just know that I'm proud of you. And I love that you're asking these questions and push back and own your education and keep being you. Because if I wasn't around kids like you, I wouldn't know how to talk to other teachers about what their school should be like. Take care. Travel gods, if they're happy. I shall see you tomorrow.